good evening to Dr. Sriram Cholia, Raja Faisal, who's a journalist from Islamabad and our contributor here at Republic, Major Gaurav Arya, all with us on that big story because this is big. This is Sriram really big. Before I take this to Raja, who's nodding his head, I don't know for what already, but Sriram, make sense of this. Make sense of this admission and the importance right now.
Well, Deepthi, there have been leaks like this before. If you remember, a few years ago, there was the so-called Dawn leaks, where the Foreign Secretary of Pakistan was addressing the top civilian and military leadership and telling them that, you know, the world's patience is thinning out and we must stop protecting terror groups and jihadists and we have to take action. And at that time, you know, the military was furious at the leaks because it clearly showed that they were protecting and harboring and abetting terrorism. So I think this is seems to be in the same vein and adding further evidence, you know, because Pakistanis, whenever they carry out heinous attacks and we produce the evidence, or Afghanistan produces the evidence, they say, where is the proof? Show the proof. You are simply blaming us. There is no proof. There is no proof. There is no proof. That's all they keep on, you know, that's their defense mechanism. And it is becoming shallower day by day. So with more and more of this evidence coming out in light, it is not only to hold them legally accountable for their crimes, it's not only a moral, blot on their record as a pariah state, but it also gives us the basis to take action, concrete action. For example, surgical strikes, Balakot airstrike, we may resort to more such. What is the meaning of a ceasefire agreement if they are continuing to engage in this kind of skullduggery, the deep state of Pakistan? It's a structural problem. No kind of agreement or cooperation will obviate the structural problem of the military intelligence complex, which is deeply hand in glove with the jihadist elements and is using terror as an instrument of state policy against the neighbors.
Yes.
Both Afghanistan and India are suffering from the same thing. So
you know, Sriram, you're making a good point. Before I get in Gaurav, I think who will be ready with his arsenal?
Yeah.
Raja Faisal. Raja Faisal,
Yes.
what more proof? I mean, there has been proof and more proof. But what is Pakistan doing about it?
DPT, I think we are just getting to conclusions without going through the facts. First of all, we need to weigh the facts. First of all, we need to have some sort of forensics of these facts. Of course, I think Gaurav Arya knows about these things, that these kind of things are really easy to, concoct, or you can easily make them. It's not a big deal in today's age.
No, are you saying this is fake? Are you saying that Raja Faisal, this is fake?
Conspiracy theorists.
This is fake. To me, this is fake. It is fake until it is.
Oh, this is obviously fake. You know,
right.
Gaurav, this is fake.
I'll tell you.
All these names, Dawood Ibrahim, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Al-Qaeda, Gaurav, are all fake.
Proofs,
I'll tell you.
if you show
sure.
me proof,
okay.
then
So
of course
I'll just tell you how it
accept
works.
Until
You see,
then I can't.
we have Raja Faisal, with your permission, sir. We have on record Pakistan's military dictator Pervez Musharraf, in fact, giving an interview to Wajahat Khan, a very popular Pakistani TV anchor and journalist, and he says to Wajahat Khan in his interview, and that show is called Mahaz, and in Mahaz he says that yes, we were the people who started Lashkar-e-Taiba. They are our heroes. We are the people who gave birth to the Taliban. They are our heroes. So whatever the world believes in, Pakistan has always tried to flow against the tide of history. Now, this document essentially, on the night of 24th and 25th, this document was sent forth by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan. And this document says, the first name is of Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar, by the way, in this document. It mentions his date of birth and his full name, Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar. And it says that seize all, sir, this document says, seize all properties of everybody across the board without giving them reason, without giving them document. Just seize all the properties. That's it. Finish it off. That is what this document says, and it has been done in a hurry because Pakistan's case was coming up for hearing in FATF, and Pakistan, many people in Pakistan had told, their leaders had told the common people of Pakistan that, listen, we have a very good chance of getting into the whitelist now. That was not to be. And then Shah Mahmood Qureshi was actually celebrating that we are in the grey list, and India, we foiled India's attempts to push us into the blacklist. So, Deepthi, in a sense, what I'm trying to say is that his job, and I respect Raja's job here, is to say that everything is fake. Okay, 9/11 never happened. It was a Jewish conspiracy. 26/11 was a Hindu conspiracy.
There was
It's all
no
a conspiracy.
Ajmal Kasab.
Yes,
Raja
nothing.
Faisal, there was no Ajmal Kasab also. Remember? There was no Ajmal Kasab, Sriram. There was nothing. You've been given dossiers after dossiers. You know, Raja Faisal, this is
Please,
such,
Deputy, if you
this is
allow
such an answer. Ad nauseum we've heard this, Sriram. But does it work? Is it
I
working
beg
for
you
you?
for a minute, Deputy.
Is it working for you, Raja Faisal, at all?
Deepti, they had 200 to 300.
I beg you for a minute because I want to reply.
And they said that
Please, Deputy, I want to reply.
Some trees. This is the nature of the state. You know, they trivialize everything.
Yes.
And hide.
See, this is not right.
Hide the reality.
You've taken Major Gaurav's point, but you're not taking my reply to it.
State, as they call it, you know, military dictatorship.
You're not taking my reply to it.
Hide the reality.
I like that, Sriram. Raja Faisal is complaining because he says, listen, you're not listening to me now.
Everything is a conspiracy.
I just have one thing.
Okay, Sriram, let's give him a minute.
If you
Let's
can
give
allow.
him a minute.
Major Gaurav,
Mr. Faisal.
Major Gaurav highlighted that, Pervez Musharraf said this about Lashkar-e-Taiba.
And stop
Well,
spinning conspiracy theories.
we created them, right? This is what he said. What about Imran Khan? Imran Khan said it as well, that Pakistan created Taliban. We accept it. We accept it. But we fought against Taliban. And if we can fight against Taliban, then we can fight against Lashkar-e-Taiba as well.
You did not
then
fight
we can fight against Lashkar-e-Junubi as well.
You only fought against the TTP. You continue to. Where is the Quetta Shura of Taliban?
I do not need your counters. I'm just replying what Major Gaurav just said.
In Balochistan. Where is the Taliban leadership?
Now you're taking
No, but see, this is the problem, Raja.
Taliban.
Mr. Raja Faisal, this is the real problem. This is the problem. When you're shown the mirror, you say, listen, we don't need this. Because, Major Gauravs, they have their own version of the truth. I don't know what that truth really means to you.
See, I'll tell you, Deepti, it's very simple. Raja is here and he's saying...
Listen to Gaurav.
Yeah. Raja, I just want to tell you, Maulana Masood Azhar belongs to Bahawalpur in Punjab, Pakistani Punjab. All right. And Hafiz Saeed is from Muridke. And while the Hizbul Mujahideen chief, Sayyid Salahuddin, is from Badgam, which is adjacent to Srinagar, he is settled in Muzaffarabad. Now, all these people, except for one guy, that is Sayyid Salahuddin, all of them are Pakistani Punjabis. All of them. They have nothing whatsoever to do with Kashmir, and yet you raise these Lashkars because the Pakistani army was unwilling to fight. You raise these Lashkars, you send them into India. They cause death and destruction in India, and they are being hailed as heroes by your people, sir. By your people. Sir, Chaudhry Fawad Hussain on the floor of Parliament says that Imran Khan did a wonderful job. Imran Khan actually sent those suicide bombers. That is what he implied in Parliament, and then he backtracked. And he said, no, I was talking about the air raid. But the air raid never happened in Pulwama. It happened in Jammu.
Millions of Kashmiris. There are millions of Kashmiris who are living in different cities of Pakistan. They are living in Karachi, from Karachi to Peshawar. They are living in every city of Pakistan. There are millions of Kashmiris. And you know it. Why? Because you have the intelligence reports about it.
But that is not the answer to what Gaurav asked.
Where I live in Pakistan...
I don't understand, Raja Faisal. Only for word of time. But Major Gauravs, Sriram and Raja Faisal, we are back on the other side. Pakistan's secret terror node has been accessed by Republic. But as always, Pakistan says this is fake. We are back on the other side with lots more on that and much more.